Welcome to Singapore. Yes, you heard it right. Singapore. Hey guys, we're here in Dunlop Street. I think we can cross. So here it is, a little slightly point of view shoot here in Singapore. Enjoy. Dito the picture on the outbound. Oh, they can look at that man. So it's okay, I think.
So hi guys, nakagawa ko din after na mo kuman og work.
Oh, they got a lot of stuff.
Is it okay to take a picture?
I have a question. Is it alright to take pictures right here, this area? Can't. You can. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. It's okay. They have a lot of signs. Little India Arcade. So I think we don't have to hurry because we have a lot of time here.
There you go. Inside, there's no like traffic.
Okay. Here in a small street.
Oo.
I will try to picture the kitchen.
There's a lot of food inside. Let's go.
Wala bito. I'm just adjusting my lights. No jaywalking. That is the no jaywalking sign. They don't have a sign. So I think it's okay. Walk pa center. Wait up. Okay. Center. Mana? Okay. Done. Okay, so let's go back. At least we check the Little Indian Arcade.
No, picture.
Nabuhat eh. So wala na lang ako napadayon akong point of view shooting kay lisod kayo mo navigate pa sa map then mag street photography. Pasensya na. Right now we eat in Burger King to feed our brains. We ride our train going Clarkway. There is a like a river. So we will check it out. So that's it. See you later guys. So this is the boat quay. We're on boat. I think this is the best place at night, where all the glimmer lights of the restaurants. Sure. Nice. We will try to panorama style. So this is the BTS of panorama picture.
Adi ko
Panorama.
Sir, di ayo diri, luyo jud nako. Magana man ko. Sibihin mo sugatan. Start. Apa dire?
like a bridge over troubled
this is it.
water.
We're spending time here in the bridge over troubled water.
Troubled water.
Troubled water. So, we're going to Chinatown. 18 minutes walk from here to Chinatown. Chinatown! sa Chinatown.
I see. Let's go.
We're near. So we arrive in Chinatown. Just a 1.4 kilometer walk. This content is very getting long. Dagan ko edito nun ani ron. Gilan? Lingaw mo pud. Buy this one. A cat symbolizes
What?
something, money.
Inviting.
And inviting money to come. And it's very cute. I miss Bayut, our cat, at home. So this is Chinatown. We're done here at Chinatown and we're going to Marina Barrage. Where I think I'm gonna end this vlog for today. It's very long. It's free. That is the Marina Bay. And we will end the vlog here for a long exposure photography. Pasensya sa crooked English, but I'm trying. See you in the next vlog. Ciao! There's yummy. Water siya na siya diha. Iset na ko ang interval to 10 seconds interval with unlimited shots, and also my exposure sa is 10 seconds po. Di ba? And timing pod kayo kay naay light activity. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mon Marquez and Yamis over there. We will be here in Singapore for 15 days, Christmas and New Year. See you. Ciao. There is happening. Yes, there is a light show, I think.